Hello everyone. Now this is a class of 6th grade and we are going to start chapter number 5. As usual, chapter name is negative numbers and integers. Okay, negative numbers and integers. Integers means all numbers included. Okay, integer means all numbers included including 0. 0, suppose that this is a number line. This is a number line. Here is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on, and -1, -2, -3 up to so on. Okay, these all are integer. Okay, मतलब सारे पॉजिटिव सारे नेगेटिव नंबर इंक्लूडिंग 0 is called integer. Okay, and now exercise 5.1, that is a basic. Okay, basic of this chapter, integers, and you easily know that. Now we are going to do question number 1. Question number 1 is write the opposite of each. Opposite of each means कि अर्न कर रहे हैं, स्पेंड कर रहे हैं. ओके, लॉस हो रहे हैं, प्रॉफिट हो रहे हैं. बैंक में आप पैसे डिपॉजिट करवा रहे हैं, विदड्रॉ करवा रहे हैं, कढ़वा रहे हैं. ओके, दैट इज. सो नाउ फर्स्ट इज अर्निंग मनी. अर्निंग मीन्स आप पैसा कमा रहे हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ अर्निंग? अर्निंग मीन्स you can say that spending money. Is it clear? Earning money, spending money. And now next is a loss of 1,000. Loss means loss हो या 1,000 का. So what is the opposite of loss? Opposite of loss. Opposite of loss is profit. So now what we write? A profit of 1,000. Is it clear? Next question number 3rd is 25. So firstly you say this is a positive number. Okay, because no sign is here, it means this is a positive. This is a positive. So what is the opposite of positive is negative. What is the opposite of positive is negative. So what we can write? -25. And next last one is deposit money. Deposit means उन्हें पैसे जमा करवाए हैं, डिपॉजिट करवा दिया था. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ डिपॉजिट इज विथड्रॉ. विथड्रॉ. Is it clear? This is your first question. Write the opposite of each. And now next we are going to do question number 2. Indicate by using integer. Indicate by using integer means कि जो चीज़ अपन को इंक्रीज कर दी है उन्होंने अपन प्लस लिखना है. एंड दैट वन इज डिक्रीज. नीचे डिग रही है, कोई चीज़ गिर रही है, घट रही है, दैट शुड बी इंडिकेट विद द नेगेटिव्स. ओके, इंटीजर्स आर 2 टाइप्स ना, पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव. बोथ आर इंटीजर्स. ओके, सो नाउ फर्स्ट वन इज 25 डिग्री अबव 0. 25 डिग्री अबव 0. 0 तो ऊपर, तो जो चीज़ 0 तो ऊपर ग्रेटर, इट मीन्स दिस इज +25 डिग्री. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ ₹800. हम 800 का प्रॉफिट, इट मीन्स वी आर गेन. गेन इट मीन्स ऑल्सो राइट विद द पॉजिटिव साइन +800. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज अ डिपॉजिट ऑफ ₹2500. 25 डिपॉजिट. सो डिपॉजिट मीन्स आप जमा करवाए. ओके, इंक्रीज होया कुछ. सो लेट इट्स बी राइट डाउन 25. यस, सपोज दैट दिस इज बिलो 3 किलोमीटर बिलो सी लेवल. बिलो मीन्स नीचे गिर रहा. ओके, सो इट शुड बी राइट ऑन माइनस. इज इट क्लियर? This is the opposite of each other, and this is if any statement you should be write in a integers. Integers means you write in the positive sense. Is it clear? And next we are going to do our third question is that is also relates to integers. So that yes, mark the integers ऑन नंबर लाइन। ओके, मतलब जो भी अपन गिवन है अपन नंबर लाइन पे शो करना है। सपोज करो फर्स्ट नंबर दिता उन्होंने सानू, लेट इट बी -4, you have to show on a number line, okay, where it's placed. And now this is your number line, 0 1 2 3 and 4. Here is -1 -2 -3 -4 up to 4, okay, इस साइड के नंबर चल गए। And now we are showing -4, so where is -4? Here, this is -4. And similarly if a number second is 2, where is our number line? This one. Is it clear? This is a representation of numbers on the number line. And next one is question number 4, that is which is smallest? Which is smallest? Okay, smallest means in the sense, suppose that first question is 0 or -4. हाँ जी, negative number is always smaller as compared to positive. Okay, even if that is 0, no matter 0, it means which one is the smallest number? This is a negative, na? This is a positive. So simply you can say that -4 is the smallest number. -4 is smallest number. Is it okay? Next one is, suppose that your question is -15 and -27. Which is smaller than? Okay. See, both are negative. Okay, negative. So नीचे सब तो बाद केड़ा नंबर दिख रहा है? नीचे मीन्स देखो आप एवं लिखते हैं नंबर लाइन में 0 एवं लिख दो -1 -2 -3 ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿਤੇ जाके अपने को -15 आएगा। नैक्सट नीचे -7 है, तो ये ज़्यादा डिग्या या ये ज़्यादा डिग्या? दिस वन। ओके, ये ज़्यादा नीचे है, इट मीन्स -27 इज स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर। ओके, सेम एज यू हैव टू सी विच वन इज ग्रेटर। ओके, विच वन इज ग्रेटर मीन्स एनी नंबर which will you have to choose or you have to put the sign. Okay, suppose that the first one is, which one is greater? Which one is greater? Greater in the sense, suppose that your first is -12 and -8. So which one is greater? Greater means हम देखो both are negative। 12 ज़्यादा नीचे आएगा, पहला -8 आएगा, ठीक है, तो इट मीन्स विच वन इज ग्रेटर? -8 इज ग्रेटर। इज इट ओके? एंड नेक्स्ट वन फॉर दैट सेकंड इज 0 and 7। सिंपली 0 and 7, विच वन इज ग्रेटर? 7 इज ग्रेटर। सो दीज आर part 5 and part 4, smallest and greatest number, and you have to know both। ओके, कि विच वन इज ग्रेटर, विच वन इज स्मॉलेस्ट, तो दोनों पता होने चाहिए। नेक्स्ट नंबर इज, सॉरी, क्वेश्चन इज राइट ऑल द इंटीजर्स, राइट ऑल द इंटीजर्स बिटवीन 7 and सपोज करो -7 and 3। ओके, इन बिटवीन मतलब जो इन्हों के सेंटर पार्ट के नंबर्स लाए -7 -6 -5 -4 -3 -2 -1। हेयर इज अ 0 1 2 3 4। सो नाउ विच नंबर इज 7 3, which we want in between? So these numbers are lies between -7 and 3. So what do you write? -6 -5 -4 -3 -2 -1 0 1 2. These numbers lies between -7 and 3. Next one is how many integers are between? Question number 7 is also same as going on. Question number 8 is also put the sign. Put the sign. This and this. Suppose that your first question is -4 4. Yes. Which one is greater? See, this is a negative number, this is a positive number. So what we talk about this? Positive number is always greater. So here is sign this. So now, बच्चे, this is your question number 1 to question number 9 is completed in this class. Okay, and now we what is your homework? Okay, homework is this. You have to do solve all these parts of question 1 to 9. Okay, and I am also going to sending you the notes. Is it okay? And do it very carefully. Best of luck. Thank you.